In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for generating and managing inventory valuation reports. This guide will help you navigate through the QuickBooks interface and leverage its powerful reporting tools to gain insights into your inventory, products, and their valuation. Starting from the QuickBooks homepage, the first step is to log into your account. Once logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. This will take you to the Reports section of QuickBooks, where you'll have access to various reporting features. Next, within the Reports section, you should see an option for standard reports. Go ahead and click there. If you have previously marked the Inventory Valuation Report as a favorite, you'll find it right at the top. This could save you some scrolling and search time later. Alternatively, you can scroll down to browse through the reports or use the search box for a quicker search. Just type in Inventory Valuation to locate the Inventory Valuation Detail Report. Once you've pinpointed the Inventory Valuation Detail Report, click on it to open. At this point, you'll be required to select the report period. QuickBooks provides a variety of predefined periods to choose from, giving you the flexibility to view data within specific time frames. Once you've selected the report period that suits your needs, focus on setting the From date. You can effortlessly navigate through the calendar by clicking on the calendar icon to set your desired start date. If you need a time-specific report, set the To date similarly. With these settings configured, you can now view all the pertinent details of your inventory, including product specifics and their valuation. This information can be quite invaluable for maintaining an up-to-date and accurate overview of your inventory. To preserve your setup for future use, click on Save As to assign a new name to the report, which you can subsequently share with others if required. If there's a group you'd like to add this report to, you can do so by clicking the drop-down button in the Add to Group section. Don't forget to hit Save to ensure your customizations are secured. Afterwards, return to the Reports section by clicking Back to Standard Reports. From there, move to the Custom Reports area where all your saved reports reside. Select the Inventory Valuation Detail Report you just saved. Upon finding it, you'll notice an arrow icon to the right. Click it to reveal more options. Opt for Run Report and sync the data in Excel using the Spreadsheet Sync feature. This functionality is an add-in that facilitates smooth data transfer between QuickBooks and Excel. Authorizing the add-in involves trusting it in Excel and signing in using your Intuit account. You can now gather your QuickBooks data inside Excel by selecting to run a report, applying filters, and refreshing the data as needed. Finally, click Let's Go to get started with the Excel integration, following the QuickBooks on-screen instructions as they appear. Using QuickBooks in tandem with Excel can significantly streamline your inventory management process while allowing for more dynamic data analysis.